Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential cryptocurrencies to buy in the month of May. So these are going to be altcoins that are on our watch list. Now, did we just see another flash crash today? That's something we're going to be discussing today in the video. How Bitcoin is performing, how Ethereum is performing. Are you buying the dip? Should we buy the dip on these, flash crashes that we see happening frequently in the past few months now, and how it's going to affect the rest of the, crypto space? Now, the market is down about 4% today in the past 24 hours. Top gainers, we have Binance Coin right here, up about 189%. Bitcoin has the highest volume, obviously. So Bitcoin trading at around 55,000 right now. We're going to be covering this after we discuss the 3 altcoins on our list. So we'll definitely come back and see what's going on and how it crashed here during midday. Pretty much all the coins did, and they made a little bit of a recovery. So Bitcoin's down about 5%. Ethereum's pretty much breaking even in the past 24 hours. Dogecoin down about 20%. So Dogecoin just continues to go down from those 70-cent highs. Even Binance Coin at around, $636 per coin, down about 7%. We have Cardano down 8%. Ripple down 11%, Polkadot at 11%, Bitcoin Cash around 7.5%, Litecoin 9%, Chainlink, one of our favorites on this channel, about 10% down, Uniswap 10%. Then we have a green one, actually. Stellar Lumens is actually up for the day. And then we have Shiba NEO. So this one is up about 135.85%. This is another one we're going to cover in this video at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. We're going to be talking about it. Is it a meme coin? What's going on with it? Is it a pump and dump, even though this market cap is huge for it? Then we have Ethereum Classic down about 10% again. So this one's trading at around $106 per coin right now. So we're seeing a massive pullback in the crypto space right now, even though it was in the green earlier, in the day. So definitely something to watch. Now, before we get into these altcoins, guys, go ahead and smash that like button. Let's aim for 250 plus likes on this video. Press that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. Leave a comment below. What crypto are you buying right now? Are you buying the dip on this crypto flash crash that we saw today? If you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $1,800, links are going to be in the description for that. If you want to buy your helium miner, use our discount code and our coupon code DEHANM. You get 3% off when you buy your helium miner. Now let's get into these altcoins. So the first altcoin on our list is going to be Coin. So this is a coin we've never discussed on the channel. This coin is trading at around 0.0597. So this one is up about 10% in the past 24 hours. Market cap is very low at around 3.1 billion. Volume is at around 234 million, with the circulating supply at over 51 billion coins. Now, we saw this one dip down here when the crash or flash crash happened, and we've seen this flash crash happen like 2 or 3 times in the past month or so, and every time it's recovered after. So let's see if we're able to recover once again from this. So it's trading at around 0.0463, and then we saw it continue to boom higher to make new highs actually for the day, way past the high that we had before that crash happened today, and it's continued to boom on higher. So let's see if this one can continue to go to be trading around 0.1, to continue to get some more gains. Now, in the past week, this one's up about 233%. So I'm very surprised that I didn't see this one. It was trading at around, fractions of a penny down there, 0.0162. In the past month, this one's up about 790%, which is massive. This one was trading even lower. In the past year, 20,000%, guys. Massive gains, and it's still a low cap coin. I mean, only about 3 billion market cap, so it has plenty more room to grow in the future. Now, what is actually this coin? So quick overview of this. So Litecoin is a financial technology platform leveraging the blockchain to facilitate high-speed, low-cost international remittance. Now, think cryptocurrency meets Western Union or MoneyGram. Now, people all over the world will be able to send money to their loved ones smarter. So since its founding in 2017, Litecoin has come a long way navigating its way to the blockchain. The cryptocurrency coin has successfully made its way to Canada and the Philippines, starting its venture to connect telecom and mobile money platforms globally. We have to say telecom is off to a great start. So this one is basically going to make things easier for you to be able to transfer money between other countries. If you have, family far away and it's going to take you a lot, they're going to charge you a lot if you're using Western Union and other things. We have Litecoin, which is going to be helping us, pretty much bridge that gap between your family members or whoever you're sending money to across the world, let's say. So from, let's say Philippines to Canada, which is, very far away, and you're going to be able to do that with Litecoin, which is a huge deal. And and definitely a coin that I think is going to continue to boom in the future because it has a lot of potential. It's something that a lot of people are still doing to this day, and you know, everybody's always going to be transferring money to worldwide. So this coin definitely has a lot of potential, in my opinion, to continue to go higher in the years to come and to grow further and further as well. The second cryptocurrency on our list for May is going to be Cardano, so ADA. This one, we love this one, guys. So this one we shouted out actually when it was trading under $1, and it went to highs of about $1.80, I believe, sometime this week. And now we've obviously seen a little bit of a pullback, which is normal, which is healthy, guys. We need pullbacks in the market. So, you know, the cryptos, they have to pull back sometimes. They cannot just continue to go up. Just like we talk about in the stock market, stocks don't only go up. People will think that stock market is only going to go up every single day, that you're going to be in the green and you're never allowed to have a red day. That's not how it works. If that was to happen, then everybody would be investing in the stock market and the crypto market and be millionaires, you know. So sometimes we have to have pullbacks, you know, to get rid of these weak hands. So that is a positive sign. So this coin was trading it up here at around about $100 or $1.83 today, actually. So that's where we were at the high. So market cap 52.3 billion, came down here to lows of about what, about $1.54 at the lows when the market, you know, had that flash crash right at about 4 o'clock today. Volume 6.4 billion, circulating supply at around 32 billion coins. In the past week, this one is still up about 20%, 20.5%. It was trading down here at lows of about $1.30, even hit lows of a little bit lower, about $1.25 or so, and then continue to hit highs of about $1.84 at one point. In the past month, this one's up about 34%. In the past year, 3,300%. Now, one thing we like to talk about, obviously, is we don't like to talk about when, you know, coins already, you know, ran up and high in price. So we like to see pullbacks like this because that means we have a discounted price. We're getting a discount to buy a coin that we were already planning on buying it, you know, either way when it was trading at what, 180, 175. So if you were willing to buy it at 170 or 180, why wouldn't you buy it at, you know, 150 or 160 or 140 or heck, even at $1 if it went down to $1? If you believed in the coin before, why wouldn't you believe when, you know, when a crash happens? And this is the same thing we talk about in the stock market. If there's a coin, if there's a stock like, let's say Tesla, for example, and you were buying it at $700 per share, and then the market starts to crash and Tesla goes down to about $500 per share, let's say, and you're saying, oh, maybe I should sell my shares. If you were willing to pay $700, why are you not willing to pay $500 for those same exact shares to buy the dip if you believe in the company for the long term? That's definitely something that a lot of investors don't understand, and you know, they just think that it should always go up, and they don't understand how it works. But Cardano, let's get back into it, guys. So Cardano, one of a number of competing proof-of-stake blockchains, Cardano enables owners of its ADA cryptocurrency to help operate its network and vote on changes to its software rules. Likewise, developers can use the Cardano blockchain for familiar features, including running custom programming logic and building programs. So, however, Cardano differs from other projects by emphasizing a search-driven approach to design, aiming to achieve an academic rigor to believes will propel adoption of its technology. So while Cardano may not promise new groundbreaking features, users and developers may find its cryptocurrency offers appealing optimizations based on scientific research and formal verification, a process by which its code is verified mathematically. For example, its consensus algorithm, Ouroboros, has been deemed provable secure, by a process of formal review. Additionally, Cardano code is written in the formally specified Haskell programming language, commonly used in the banking and defense sector as well, which is definitely a huge thing, guys, and that's why Cardano is definitely one on our list that we think in the future could be definitely worth around $3-4 per coin, or even more as we, as the year has come on by. So we'll definitely add this one to our radar and see how it moves in the near future. And then the third cryptocurrency altcoin on our list is going to be Cosmos, also known as Atom. More people know it as Atom instead of Cosmos. This one's down about 12%. It was at highs up here of almost $30 per coin, hit lows down here of about $23 per coin, which is a massive drop right there from what, $30 per coin to almost $20 per coin. I mean, that's about a 30% plus, pullback, I guess. And then obviously came back up a little bit now. Market cap 5.3 billion, volume right under 1 billion coins. The circulating supply is around 210 million. In the past week, this one's still up about 9%. We hit highs here of over $30, so we're about what, $31, $32 almost at one point right there, $32.33. Then we saw this pullback, obviously, which is healthy once again. In the past month, it's up about 19, almost 20%. In the past year, almost 1,000%, guys. It was trading down here at around, a few bucks, $2 per coin. So Cosmos is definitely another one that we're going to be adding to our radar for the future, as it has a lot more potential. Now, with Cosmos heralded as the Internet of Blockchains by its founding team, Cosmos aims to create a network of crypto networks united by open source tools for streamlining transactions between them. It's this focus on customizability and interoperability that sets Cosmos apart from the other projects. Rather than prioritizing its own network, its goal is to foster an ecosystem of networks that can share data and tokens programmatically with no central party facilitating the activity. Each new independent blockchain created with Cosmos is then tethered to the Cosmos Hub, which maintains a record of the state of each zone and vice versa. The Cosmos Hub, a proof-of-stake blockchain, is powered by its native Atom cryptocurrency. So Cosmos, definitely an interesting one to add to your radar, guys, as it has potential for the future. Definitely one you should be adding, as it could be worth, could be trading at what, $200, $250 per coin in the future, which would give it a market cap of around 50 billion, and it still could have more room to grow as well. So now that we've discussed, these three crypto coins that we're going to be looking at, now let's discuss the rest of the market. So we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is still up in the past 24 hours, 135%. It doesn't matter what's going on with everything else. This one's still getting pumped up. The meme coin 2.0, I guess, just like Dogecoin. Market cap at 13.6 billion still. In the past week, this one's up over 2,000%, guys. 2,000%, that's unbelievable. If you would have invested $1,000 down here about 5 days ago or so, that $1,000 right now would be worth over $20,000, which is insane. Yeah, I mean, that's something that you do not see every day, 2,000% in a week or so. I mean, if you had $10,000, that would be worth over 200 grand right now, which is a massive run. Obviously, in my opinion, I think this is another one of those pumps, just like we're seeing with Dogecoin, as Dogecoin is pulling back now after the SNL skit that we saw with Elon Musk. This coin was trading at what, 70 cents or so that the night of the show, 73 cents. Pulled back down to lows of about 43 cents, came back up to about 57 or 58, and then we saw today another sell-off happen, hitting that support level around that 45 cents area, 40 cents level. Now we're going to be looking forward to see if it breaks through that 40 cents level, continues that trend down, or if it's going to come back up and continue its consolidation period and trade sideways for a little bit. But this coin is still up, if you look in the past month, still up about 614%, so it's still running. We'll see how it goes in the next few months, obviously. Next up, we have the big dog, Bitcoin. So what happened with Bitcoin down today? Today it was down about 5%, like we said, so trading at around $55,604 per coin. It was here at highs of about almost $60,000 per coin, and that was the level that we talked about in the previous video, where we said we're going to have to watch Bitcoin to see if Bitcoin passes through that 60,000 barrier or if it's going to pull back down. And what happened? Well, it pulled back down. So it did not break through that 60,000 area and continue to make breakthrough highs. It pulled back down all the way down to lows of about $53,600. So it was down about $7,000 almost from the high of the day, which is massive, massive pullback right there, just in a matter of a few hours during Monday trading hour day. So right here, we saw a pullback down, and now it's coming back up. So it's up about $3,000 from that low, which is, great dip buying opportunity for any long-term, obviously, investors that believe in Bitcoin and just the crypto space in general. This was a great dip buying opportunity. These flash crashes are a beautiful buying opportunity, I guess you could say, if you're a long-term holder. We've had these flash crashes happen about 2 or 3 times in the past month. It's very interesting to see how it works. Maybe the big institutions are selling off and taking some profits once we hit certain levels. So obviously, Bitcoin was very close to that $60,000 per coin. Ethereum was close to $4,000 per coin. So when we get to those round numbers, or those big milestone numbers, a lot of these people start to sell off. So that's exactly what we might be seeing today. That's what might have happened. Some of these bigger, investors could have sold and taken profit on them. Now, if we take a look at Ethereum, very similar thing. I mean, Ethereum was up here trading around $4,200 per coin. It was making, all-time highs for the year, for the month, for the day, for everything. And then we went from 4,200 all the way down to 3,650. Wow, that is about a $600 drop or something like that. So massive drop. huge dip buying opportunity. As you can see, these people swiped that one up. Everybody said, whoa, Ethereum just went back down about $600 from that high. We're definitely loading up. They loaded up from that 650, went back up over 4,000 once again. So about $400 on the upside this time in a matter of 2 hours or so. So the volatility is crazy in the crypto market. That's definitely something that you have to be very careful when you're in the crypto space. It's not like the stock market where, you're going to be seeing about between 1 and 5%, depending on what type of stocks you're investing in. But on average, you're going to be seeing about a 1% gain or loss on average in a day. If you see it more, it's because you're investing in a little bit, higher risk stocks. But you're not going to see massive, drops like this where the stock goes down like 10, 15% and then goes back up 10% in a matter of an hour or two. That just doesn't happen in the stock market unless we have some crazy news or something, globally is going on, like the last year when we had the coronavirus happen and we had the stock market crash. That just doesn't happen like that. So Ethereum, obviously, this was a great dip buying opportunity for anybody that missed out on Ethereum, as we do think that Ethereum is going to go to $10,000 per coin in the near future. I love Ethereum myself. It's my favorite coin on, in general in the crypto space. I think it's going to be bigger than Bitcoin in the future, and it's going to overtake Bitcoin and become the #1 cryptocurrency. But that's obviously just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. Obviously, this is all for educational purposes. So before investing, obviously, do your own due diligence and make sure you speak to a financial advisor. These are all, my opinions. So I think that Ethereum is going to be booming and, continue to be hot in the years to come. Now it's still up about 13% in the past week. In the past month, 82%. So still massive gains. It was trading at around $2,000 per coin at the beginning of April. And now we, broke over 4,000 at some point today in May. So about a month later. So we were up about 100% almost on, Ethereum right there in the past year, up over 2,000%. Definitely outperforming Bitcoin, which is only up about 551% in the past year. So, Ethereum's up about 3 or 4 times higher than what Bitcoin is in the past year. So Ethereum's already, continuing to trend on higher and catch up to its big brother, the Bitcoin. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this type of content. If you did, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 250 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we can do a video. Let's aim for 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. Leave a comment below. Did you buy the dip on this crypto flash crash that we saw today? If not, why not? And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800. If you want to buy a helium miner, links are going to be in the description. Get your coupon code. Get 3% off when you use coupon code DAYHANM to buy your helium miner. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.